Have you noticed something about AI videos lately? The first scene looks amazing. Then the second scene suddenly changes the character's face, the clothes are different, the background doesn't match, and by the end of the video, you're wondering if it's even the same person anymore. Honestly, that's been one of the biggest reasons I still hesitate to use AI for longer videos. So when I heard people saying FramePack AI was built to solve consistency, I thought, alright, if it really fixes that problem, that's a much bigger deal than adding another fancy feature. The more I looked into it, the more I realized consistency is something most creators don't even think about until it ruins a project. It's easy to generate one beautiful AI clip. That's not the hard part anymore. The hard part is generating the second, third, and fourth clips without everything changing halfway through. If you're making YouTube stories, commercials, short films, or even product videos, you need the audience to feel like they're watching one continuous story, not 5 unrelated AI generations stitched together. What caught my attention about FramePack AI wasn't that it promised better looking videos. Plenty of AI tools already promise that. What interested me was the idea of spending less time fighting the AI to keep characters, scenes, and visual style consistent. Because if you've ever regenerated the same scene 10 times just to keep a character looking the same, you already know how frustrating that gets. Saving that time is worth almost as much as improving the final quality. Now, I don't think this suddenly means every AI video will look like a Hollywood movie. There are still going to be moments where you need to adjust prompts, regenerate scenes, or make creative decisions yourself. AI has improved a lot, but it still needs direction. What FramePack AI seems to offer is a better starting point, especially for creators who care about telling a complete story instead of generating random clips. So here's the way I look at it. If your biggest challenge is creating one impressive AI shot, there are already plenty of tools that can help. But if your biggest challenge is making 10 AI shots feel like they belong in the same video, FramePack AI becomes much more interesting. That's a different problem, and honestly, it's one that hasn't had many good solutions. Now, I want to ask you something. When you're creating AI videos, what's the biggest headache for you? Is it consistency, realistic motion, better prompts, faster rendering, or something else entirely? Comment below and let me know. I'm genuinely curious because I think consistency is one of the biggest challenges creators are still trying to solve, but I'd love to hear what you're struggling with the most.